Team. Jordan Rose, Wendy Murphy, Brian Silver, Evangeline Gomez. We got 4 excellent attorneys. If I had to boil it down, I would say that this is the hypocrisy defense. They are painting a picture of Travis Alexander, the victim, as someone who was handing her the Book of Mormon at a Starbucks and then asking her and getting oral sex in a car, even though Mormonism calls for celibacy. He's talking to her about Mormonism, sending Mormon missionaries to her house while he is again demanding more oral sex from her. I don't know if any of this happened. This is coming out of her mouth, but is it effective? And let's start with Evangeline Gomez, defense attorney.
Today's testimony is showing that she is a lifetime victim of domestic violence. She experienced it at the hands of her parents, in her teenage relationships, in her adult relationships, and the fact that she feels uncomfortable saying no to Travis, that he's calling her every day, is further evidence that she is a true victim of domestic violence. For anyone to suggest that we're flipping the script by saying that he's the victim, you're not understanding and you're not paying attention to what Jodi is saying on the stand.
All right, Jordan Rose, attorney, Phoenix, Arizona.
Oh, can we trust anything that Jodi would ever say on the stand when she's lied about every single thing? And I cannot wait for the prosecutor to get up there and put her on the spot. But here, you go, is the jury looking at her and saying, are these just 20-something-year-old kids and this is a normal relationship? And no 20-something-year-old kid and no reasonable person would react to this situation by thinking it was abusive and snapping like that. I mean, it's almost like today was a pull the heartstrings, yesterday was a pull the heartstrings sort of defense. There's no legal self-defense. It's almost a Casey Anthony, right. Blame the daddy, blame the mommy, here blame all the boyfriends.
Brian Silver.
The first thing we need to understand is that this is a case with a lot of moving parts. Number one, her testimony is not only going to establish that she's acting in her own self-defense, but it's for later on in the penalty phase, because she needs to establish not only what she did, but why she did it. And if she acted under duress, that would be a mitigator against imposing the death penalty. And we may not like what she has to say, the family may find it offensive, but that doesn't mean it's not true, because sometimes a kiss is not just a kiss.
Jordan Rose, do you think there's a possibility of a hung jury?